All right, well, I got a job lined up. It's a Saturday morning. It's a beautiful Saturday morning, first time in a while. And unfortunately, I couldn't bring the trailer because the setup here, can't park on this busy road, and they have a driveway that goes all the way down in the back, and I can't turn the trailer around. So unfortunately, I got to stock everything in bags, a couple of canvas bags to prepare for these jobs. So just get up a little earlier, get it done, and that's it. I'm gonna start bringing some stuff into the house. All right, what we got here is a couple of bathroom ceiling fans. Weren't vented properly, and I'll get into detail when I get in there, but be prepared. Have all the stuff. These little lights work the best. If you don't have them, pick them up, Home Depot. 2 for like 15 bucks. All right, I'm gonna go in here in the attic and we'll get into it. After doing some investigating why these vents weren't vented outside, most of the time it's because it's a location the contractor or whoever did the work can't get to or is afraid to get to. Gets a little tricky in some spots. But you see up here, you got to set your ladder up. Okay, so we're up there. I'm coming out a little under that eave. I'm going to make another one right beside it so we can install 2 separate vents. All right. Yeah, you know, you get up on these ladders, you're 30 or 40 feet up here, and then you add another 30, maybe 25, and you're up pretty high. So some people get intimidated. Stay tuned for more. All right, so when you come out here, you're gonna have the hole, the pilot hole, okay, from the attic. You're gonna get up there, you're gonna put your drill in reverse with any kind of siding because it won't kick back on you and you go flying off the ladder and, you know, end up in that garden down there as a tomato plant. Okay, kid? So you're gonna go in reverse, you're gonna get a nice clean cut. I'm gonna get up there and put 1 vent in, and then I'm gonna go back in and drill for the other. I could have done both, but I just wanted to come out here and make sure I was in a spot I can get to. Okay, so stay tuned. You'll catch me in the attic in the next one. Thank you. Okay, I'm back up in the attic. Okay, let me just check to see what this looks like with the vent. I gotta crawl through this little hole. All right, let's get this light set up. Okay, there's my vent from outside. Okay, they had an issue. Hold on, excuse me for putting you in the dark. The ceiling was getting mildew, paint was chipping. We come up here, these boards were placed on top of this hole. Okay, they were just like this, you know, covered when I came up here. And if you look, there's our vent from the bathroom. It's not hooked up to anything. It was just blowing right here, right in the insulation. So we caught it in time. Don't see a lot of mildew. So I'm gonna hook up a section from here, and obviously we're gonna run it out there. All right, I'm gonna attempt to drill this second hole. All right, you wanna start off in reverse so it doesn't grab and kick at you, and then you can put it forward. Go through slow, just get the sheathing. You don't want to pop all the way through to the vinyl siding. You don't want to damage it. You want to just get right through it, and so we can go back outside and install that second one, and we'll be good to go for this second vent outside in a few minutes. Okay, there's your second hole. Unfortunately, I'm holding the phone. Next time I'll set it up where you can see how I do this, but you want to go in reverse pretty much the whole time, because this thing grabs. This thing's a monster, cuz. But you want to be careful. And I'm going to go out there now and insert the second vent. And I got to snake a pipe, a duct. Well, take care. Okay, I'm back outside. Done with the attic drilling, which is good because it was getting hot up there. The only thing is when you're in the attic, unfortunately, you got to wear long sleeves from the insulation and stuff, and have a mask on so you don't breathe in any crap. All right, so we're going to put together this this dryer exhaust vent here. It's simple. Okay. Take it out of the box, obviously. Okay. Hang on a minute. You got a pipe here. I don't know if I'm filming this, but we're gonna give it a shot. Hang on a minute. Okay, it comes with the two parts, obviously. The lid and the pest cover. Take the tie wrap off. You got two pieces, I don't know if you can see it. You got a flat piece here, and you got a ridge. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this guy and you're gonna fold it in like this. Wait a minute, I'm doing it the wrong way. Like this. You're gonna fold this lip in, just like this. It locks in place. I don't know if you saw that. Okay, I want to make this nice and even. You got the slots here, so the slots will go inside here. Take your time with it. And you're going to turn this thing, and it locks in place. So there you go. Okay. Oh, sorry about that. Well, that's it. You put it together. You got the tube. You got the face. You fold it into a circle, it locks in place in that little groove. It's got little spacers in there, it locks in. And when you get this mounted, you put it obviously through the hole. You got some screws, and then you're gonna put your cover on top. Okay? See you soon. The best part of my day, my son. What's going on, huh? Good to see you. Yeah. God, you look good, man. You got a little color in your face. Well, you surprised me today on this job. I want to thank you for coming. Well, I got to say, that was an awesome surprise. My son showing up. All right, back to the job. I'm up here. Okay, I'm up on the ladder. Got the second one done. It's screwed in. You take these little hooks here, these little holders, and you're gonna position it and lock it in place. So there you go. You got two vents, exterior vents for two bathroom fans. I'm gonna go into the attic now and finish the piping, and we'll see what it looks like when I'm finished. All right, we're in the other part of the attic. Okay, that's where the other bathroom vent was vented, right there. Okay, yeah, just sitting there amongst all the items in the attic here. So what I have to do is, back in that corner, it shoots to the left about 15 feet to the other side where I'm drilling those holes, and I'm going to snake it through, put a longer section of pipe on there, connect it to the outside. All right, let me get to snaking the other side. Okay, I located the snake, which is right here. Okay, this piece is about 8 feet long, but I can't get to the actual fan. It's in the middle of this built out, it's like a hallway closet between rooms, between attics. Okay, so what you do is you want to get yourself an extension. Okay, I'm going to go with a 20-footer, and the way you put the ends together to make it secure, and a lot of guys will just tape it and bootleg it, get yourself a sleeve. You're going to put it in one side, secure it, then put it in the other and secure it so it's nice and tight. It's a nice good connection. Okay, then I'll tie it somehow to that snake, and I'll pull it through nice and easy, get it to the other end, and we'll connect it. Stay tuned. All right, we're all finished up here. 2 dedicated duct lines for each bathroom. Okay, as always, when you're finished with the job, what do, guys? Ladies and gentlemen out there, what do? We clean the work site when we're finished. Okay, you know me, I'm big on that, but it's clean. I'm not going to sweep it, but it's clean. All right, take care, and we'll catch you on the next one. One other thing, I keep forgetting at the end of these videos. If you enjoy them, if you appreciate it, I do the best I can to help people. Subscribe, obviously. Share the video. Hit that bell every time I get a video. It'll send you a notification. All right, I appreciate all the new subscribers, and I hope to bring you a lot more content in the future. Take care. Well, the whole reason we had to come and check these fans out, what the issue is in the bathroom, and this was done probably a year ago, this bathroom. You got the paint. You see what that does? That's not properly venting the shower, okay? And you can see whoever put that in, they didn't tape it right. Joints look off, they're cracked. Okay, so I'm gonna redo that. I'm gonna use the 5-minute set, okay? Scrape this down, skim coat it if need be, and then I'm gonna throw a fresh coat of sealing paint, mildew resistant, okay? And we'll take it from there, all right? Always be prepared. What I like to do is I use my pan, but I like to put some in a Ziploc, okay? So you come upstairs, you're not making a mess. You put a little bit in your pan, mix it up, you know what I mean? You're good to go, all right? Again, try to stay neat, clean, because you're gonna have to clean up when you're finished. All right, stay tuned for the repair completion. All right, what you wanna do is scrape off all the damaged areas, skim coat it. I'm using that 5-minute setup. You gotta work fast with it. I'm gonna give that a second coat there. And in the meantime, I just taped, you know, I'm not the Mr. Straight Painter, so I just tape it real quick while I'm waiting for the harden. Once that's done, I'll give it a second coat, give it a light sand, and then I'm gonna paint this ceiling, all right? Obviously, you wanna, when you're finished, clean up the mess, okay? And I'll reuse the Compact Rigid shop vac to clean all this up when I'm finished, all right? Okay, we're finished. Ceiling's painted, it's patched, it looks good. Okay, remember, clean up your mess, make it nice and neat, and you're good to go. All right, catch you on the next video, catch you on the next one, and don't forget to subscribe.